This oxygen serum supercharges skin's natural regenerative properties and helps to rejuvenate fatigued skin cells, lighten age spots, and restore firmness for a brighter, more uniform glow. So brighten up, beauty. You're good to glow. When you're feeling dull, resurrect that glow-getter lit from within look with your lightworker hands. We know you got it in you, because over time, this luminosity-boosting serum reveals a brighter, more radiant, and rejuvenated glow. It's addressing all the multiple signs of aging by counteracting the visual effects of daily collagen degradation, reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and supporting skin resilience and elasticity. A blend of targeted plant intelligence takes a triple action approach to negate every stage of hyper-pigmentation process by helping to inhibit the passage of melanin to the surface while boosting the skin's natural ability to minimize discoloration and visibly fade the look of existing dark spots.